Hi everyone, welcome to Talk of the Town. Holden Tisone is with us. He is the manager for the pool division for Summit Services. Pool division has been in existence about 3 years. You've been manager for about a year with the company. You love the company, the culture, the owner, and the pool division is really growing.
Yeah.
So tell us about the services that you all offer.
Yeah, of course. So basically, we have a once a week service that we can come out and do. So, Monday through Saturdays, we'll come out, we'll brush your pool, we'll skim it, we'll vac it, we'll check all the chemicals for you, we'll balance all the chemicals, we'll blow off the deck. That way, if you're out throughout your day, if you're playing pickleball, tennis, you guys are at the grocery store, and you guys know that we're here at 1 o'clock every single Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever the case may be, you now know that the backyard looks beautiful the way that you intend it to be. So our guys in the field, there's a lot of guys that they kind of take shortcuts, but I train my guys for about 5 or 6 weeks to make sure that they understand what we need to do to make sure that we give them the Summit service experience.
Right.
So we have 2 cleaners out in the field. They do about 70 jobs a week, God bless them. And whenever I need to help out, I definitely go and help out there. So, my guys definitely are the stronghold of this pool division.
Right, and Holden, you were saying that, of course, there's so many different pool companies, but what makes Summit Services different is that you do all the cleaning and all that you just described, but you also can help with remodeling or repairs, electrical, whatever. So you go much further with your offerings than most pool service companies do.
100%, yeah. So a lot of pool companies, there's a lot down here on Hilton Head Island, which is great, job security, great opportunities to do whatever we need to do. But over here at Summit Services, we definitely take pride in what we do. Customer service is our number one thing. So, if you have some pavers that are starting to settle, if you have any coping that's about 20 years old, any tile that's chipping, you got a big crack in your plaster, we can go in there and we can basically form out that crack, replaster it, and give you a nice 20-year life expectancy for your new pool. And I take pride in it. I'm very one-on-one with the homeowners. So, whenever I'm there for that hour 20 minutes, we go through step by step. What do you want? What is your end goal? Here's what we can give you, and here's how we can help you. So, yeah.
Do most people realize what they need? They cosmetically, it just doesn't look so good. But then once you start, talking with them and you go out and inspect, you realize that there are issues, and you come back to the customer and say, well, I think we've got some like mechanical issues, or like you were saying, some other issues that need to be taken care of.
Yeah, so a lot of homeowners that have pools and spas, they don't have automation sometimes.
Oh, okay.
So automation, essentially, you can control everything from your phone to where it's super accessible, A lot of homeowners like to use their spa and they like to turn on their heater, but they don't want to go out there and physically do it.
Right.
So you guys could be at the grocery store, you guys could be at Target picking up your order, and you guys could literally just go on your phone, turn it on, and by the time you guys come home for that 20-minute ride, it's already right where it needs to be. So it's there's a lot of pros and cons, but sometimes people don't understand it because no one was ever explaining it to them.
Explaining it to them.
So,
are more pools saltwater these days, or are you getting a mix? And I don't even know what the difference, except what's saltwater and what's not.
That's a great question. So essentially, saltwater is a lot healthier for the pool. Okay. The second that your pool pump turns on, you're producing chlorine at all times, instead of just using chlorine tabs to where, with the heat, they could just start evaporating more and those kinds of things. So, a lot of homeowners who have different properties down here, they have salt waters in different states, so they like to kind of hone in on that with their home down here on Hilton Head. But just whenever we're out there once a week, we make sure that your chemicals are good. That way, you don't have a green pool in the middle of the summer. Okay. You guys can go and enjoy it and take a nice little cold plunge.
So salt water can, so you do use chlorine in a saltwater pool too?
Yeah, basically, yeah. So salt water is kind of chlorine, it's just a whole different process for it.
Okay, interesting.
But essentially, one of the benefits is that rather than having that chlorine tablet dissolve quicker, the second that your pool pump turns on, you're producing chlorine until that pool pump turns off.
You sound so knowledgeable, and you said that you put your team through a lot of training.
Yeah.
And which is absolutely critical. And you talked earlier about the culture of the company and the owner.
It's amazing. Yeah.
You look very happy with what you do.
Appreciate that.
Holden,
very grateful
that's really
for that.
Important.
Yeah. So whenever I first started, I moved down here 2 years ago. I got a little 2-year-old. Me and my wife were at home, and it was kind of hard just trying to get to know everybody and try to make yourself not really known, but be comfortable down here. And a lot of people in a lot of places don't really give you that family environment, but Summit Services definitely gives you that. It's you think that whenever you talk to your owner of the company that you have this guard up, and it's
But no.
you're a person that I can have comfort in and I can have trust in, you know. So I mean, this company has changed me and my family's life for the better, and I'm very, very grateful for it.
That's great. And
Yeah.
we at WHHI love Summit Services because they sponsor a lot of our sports activities
That's
and
great.
games, and so they're very community minded.
Oh, that's amazing.
So thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much today. I appreciate
And,
that.
Yeah, great information about pool servicing
That's awesome. Thank
from
you.
Summit Services.
Thank you.